There's a cat right there. There's a cat right there. There's a cat. Aww, it's so cute. I guess they just like their home here. I guess they just like it here. I saw 3 cats. Yeah, that's the one I saw over there. Oh my god, it's so cute. I'm gonna try and get closer and closer and closer. Okay, if I move back out, just go by it.
You just see he's going down, just go by it. Won't bite it.
Okay, just go. Just go. It's cute. Oh, it's scared of my hoverboard. Oh, it's so cute. It looks like Connor.